Hello, my name is Katie Bronman, and this is my screen recording assignment for Unit 12. So for this assignment, I was not able to actively edit the document while recording, so I chose to do a PowerPoint and insert screenshots along the way. So this slide just kind of represents the end result that we want to get to. So I've already programmed each image to a path, and I'm going to walk step by step on how to accomplish that. So first, this is what your screen will look like once you have created a couple slides and one having images on it. Click on an image. First, I chose to do this one. Once you click on that, you will come up to the toolbar and select animations. Once you click animations, a bunch of different animations will appear on the screen. For this assignment, we will be doing path animations. So select path animations, and a bunch of different paths will show up. For this one, I chose to do all the draw scribble path, and I chose to do that for each image. So once you click that, a little pencil will show up and you'll draw a path like I did here, and it will your first one will be a number 1, meaning that's the first one that has their path, and then so on and so forth, 2 and 3. So once you do that for each image, this is what it will look like, and then the second one and the last one. Thank you.